Guangzhou, China, June 19, 2025. The entire city lies underwater. Flooded vehicles are being hauled away by tow trucks as rescue efforts begin. With no one to help, this dog struggles to survive on its own. Its owner is caught up fighting the relentless flood. With rising waters all around, residents leave their vehicles behind and make their way to safety on foot. In a desperate race against the storm, people scramble to find any place that offers safety. That's why the police are stepping up, maintaining order, reassuring residents, and directing evacuations to safety. Floodwaters are swallowing their homes and everything they hold dear. Vehicles are carried off by the raging flood, as people stand by, powerless to stop it. Authorities are stepping in to help residents relocate to safety amid the chaos. Panic has spread across the entire city. People are in shock, overwhelmed by the magnitude of the disaster unfolding around them. With floodwaters rising rapidly and their homes vanishing beneath the waves, many are left disoriented and unsure of what to do next. The fear is palpable. No one expected the storm to strike with such relentless force. Every year, China grapples with dozens of major flood events, on average around 7 significant floods, which over the years have impacted more than 100 million people annually, inflicted tens of billions of dollars in damage, and tragically claimed thousands of lives. In fact, 2024 marked a grim record. 26 massive flood incidents swept through China's river systems, the most since formal record-keeping began in 1998, forcing over 84 million people to evacuate, leaving countless properties in ruin, and ending in hundreds of deaths and missing persons. This relentless cycle of flooding isn't just a test of the country's infrastructure, it's a human crisis that strikes at the heart of communities across the nation. With rapidly changing climate patterns, growing urban footprints, and increasingly unpredictable rainfall, the threat is only intensifying. But amid the devastation, there's also resilience. Through proactive disaster response, improved early warning systems, and the dedication of frontline workers, China is fighting back to protect its people and rebuild its future. As we conclude this narrative, remember, behind every flash of floodwaters are individual lives, families, pets, entire neighborhoods, caught in the struggle between nature's fury and human perseverance.